semester 5th. Unit first we studied in detail about the fish farm, and that is the important characteristics just related to the same important. It is maybe that is unit second and indigenous carp, indigenous and exotic carp. You must be no idea about the indigenous carp. Indigenous carp. Indigenous means those fishes grow inside the in India. That is also known as the inland fishes. Inland fishes means those fishes grow in our country. In our countries. That is the in our country fresh water. Fresh water. That is the indigenous carp. Best examples. Best examples. That is the Katla, Lebium, Regals. Yes, these are the examples of the major indigenous carp or major carps. Major, it is also known as the major carps. Yes, these are very important characteristics about the cultural characteristics of these fishes. These fishes means actually indigenous fishes are major carps. That is also known as inland fishes. Yes, why it is the indigenous major carps means major fishes found inside the fresh water, in the Indian waters. Inland fishes found in the antardeshii fishes. Yes, I just type so that is the fishes and its biology. What is the biology of its fishes? You must know that is the biology actually. Biology of the fishes. Katla. What is detailed information about the Katla? When you study the figure. Yes. Katla. Katla species. Fish that is the fresh dorsal fin. Caudal fin, anal fin, ventral fin, pectoral fin, and that is the scales. That is the morphology. Yes. That is the morphology of the Katla. Yes, morphology of these fishes, Katla. That is the structure of Katla. You know that is the classification of these fishes. What is the classification? Phylum Chordata. What is the general characteristics? Chordata means presence of vertebral column. Presence of notochord. Yes, phylum. Subphylum Gnathostomata. There is two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw fixed, lower jaw movable. Gnathostomata. And group vertebrates. All fishes are the under the phylum chordates, vertebrates. Series Pisces. Pisces means fishes. Yes, and class Teleostomi. Most important character is the class Teleostomi. Teleostomi means it is a freshwater fishes. Just I have given information. Firstly, it is found in freshwater, bony fishes, presence of air bladder. All these characteristics present in the class Teleostomi. Yes, order Cypriniformes and family Cyprinidae. Genus Katla and species also the Katla. That is the detailed classification. That is the detailed classification about the fish Katla. You know, and other the characteristics, morphological characteristics, dorsally present dorsal fin, ventrally ventral fin, anal fin, ventral, caudal fin, bilobed, upper lobe, lower lobe, then the pectoral fin, and scales, cycloid scales are present, the mouth opening, the inlet water from the mouth, exit from the, that is the gills, yes, the understanding the respiration takes place inside the all major calves, yes, but that is in general characters and its morphology. You must be know about the general features. Age means actually its biology. Its age and growth. Age and growth. Actually, it is the fish grow in first year, second year, and third year. What is the age? First year, second year, and third year. First year, second year, and third year. What is the growth of these fishes? In the, you know that it is the fastest growing fish among the major crabs, Katla, Rohu, Mrigal. But it's growing in first year 1 kg, 1 to 1.5 kg. Yes, and second year 2 to 3 kg, 2 to 3 kg. Yes, and third year it may be that is 3 to 4 kg. That is the average growth of the Katla in the Indian water. In the Indian waters. And all this growth is depends upon the topography. Topography means that is the surface features of the land, suitable places of this land in that area. Maturity, the fish majorly mature in first year. Age that is. How many? The Katla mature in first year, which the given a weight. But its maturity depends on the topography in that area. Yes, topography. And at that time it may be 1 to 1.5 kg. But important characteristics about the maturity, it is mature in July to September. Finally, it is the July to September. Yes, that is the July to September. That is maturity, major maturity in the. Yes, that is the important characteristics about the Katla. Fecundity means egg laying capacity. Its fecundity, fecundity means egg laying capacity. Fish कितने अंडे देते? एक वेळेस. Near about the fecundity depends upon the topography and given characteristics. But 80,000 to 1 lakh. 80,000 to 1 lakh. That is the fecundity. It is spread fecundity in July to September. July to September, and these fishes capture with the help of which nets is operated. There is a cast net, gill net, yes, drag net. The important nets to capturing the fishes. To capturing the fishes with Katla. Yes, other steps. And next fish start number 2 fish, which maybe that is the Labio ruita. Ruita is the species. Not only one species in the Labio. In the Labio, near about how many? 4 species. Labio number 1, Labio ruita, Labio bata, Labio kalbasu, and Labio fimbriatus. These are the how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 species from the genus Labio. Yes, genus Labio. Other types, what is the same classification? Same classification of Catla and Labio ruita. Yes. Dorsal fin, ventral fin, anal fin. Yes. These are the yes. Labio ruita. You know that is the dorsal characteristics in the Catla. Dorsal fin, caudal fin, bilobed. Caudal fin, upon short caudal fin, bilobed. Upper lobe and lower lobe. Upper lobe and lower lobe, which is the anal fin and ventral fin, and which is the pectoral fin. Yes. And scales, same, that is the, which means that the scales, cycloid scales are present inside the all major carps, freshwater fishes. You know that is the eye, mouth. Yes, this is the structure of Labio ruita. Structure of Labio ruita. But what is the classification? Classification: phylum Chordata, subphylum Gnathostromata, group vertebrates, series Pisces, class Teleostomi. High class Teleostomi because it is a freshwater fish. It is the freshwater fish found inside the Indian river water, Indian waters. Not only river but also ponds, reservoir, lakes. These are the sources. Yes, and that sources majority the major carp found. That is the Labio, and each species ruita, bata, kalbasu, fimbriatus. There is a 4 species. Isn't it? And it is the second fastest growing fish among the Indian major carps. That is the external features of this Labio ruita. Next characteristics, that is the age and growth. What is the difference between the Catla and Labio about the age and growth? Yes, in first year, second year and third year, it is the second fastest growing fish among the Indian major carp. Secondly, 2 number Indian waters. Its growth, yes, mind well, it is within 1 year. Within 1 year, mature. 1 year mature, and its weight at that time 0.75 gram. 0.75 gram. Sometime it may be 1 kg. Means its weight depends upon the topography, topographical features, and its weight third year 4 kg. Yes, 1 meter. Food feeding. What is the food of of that fishes. Of that fishes means which is the food that it is column feeder. Surface च्या खालच्या साईडला फिश आहे तो column feeder, which may be that is a column region food. That is the food of the fishes. It is a carnivorous fish or herbivorous fish. Both the criteria present inside the Labiorhynta, carnivorous and herbivorous. It is purely depends upon feed on the herbivorous material of the plants or some insects also, diatoms also, which is below the surface of the water. And so it is known as the column feeder fish. So column feeder fish, yes, and its spawning period July to September or sometime June to October also. And next and important chapter, that is the fecundity. Fecundity means egg laying. किती egg देतो हा fish एक वर्ष. I have given information about the katla 80,000 to 1 lakh. Iris types egg laying capacity of Labio 72,000 to 80,000 egg laying capacity. 80 or 87 egg laying capacity. Yes. Not only that is the Labiorhynta, but also that is the Calvaso has same fecundity in the Labiorhynta and Calvaso, Bata, Uranus. Yes. And that fishes Labiorhynta captured with the help of which nets operated, that is gill net, drag net, yes, cast net. These nets operating about the Labiorhynta. Third one fish, important fish, which is the Sirana mrigal. Third freshwater fish, Sirana mrigal. What is the classification about the Sirana mrigal? Yes, it is a bottom feeder fish. Same classification, which is the phylum Chordata, group vertebrates, subphylum Gnathostomata, series Pisces, class Teleostomi, order Cyprinidae, family Cypriformes, family Cyprinidae, genus Sirana, and species. What is genus Sirana and species Mrigal? Same classification, only the change in the hair, genus and species. Yes. When you diagrammatically represent the Sirana mrigal, yes, it is a bottom feeder, upper jaw large, lower jaw small. Yes. You know that is the dorsal fin, scales, cycloid scales, caudal fin, anal fin, ventral fin, and pectoral fin. You know that the eye and mouth. Sirana mrigal. This is the third one important species. which is the bottom fin. What is the general characters or general features about the Sirena mrigal? First one characteristic is dorsal fin, presence of dorsal fin, presence of cycloid scales, ventral fin, ventral side, anal fin, ventral side. Caudal fin is divided into two, which is the upper lobe and lower lobe. Yes, but eye small, eye small, and that is the mouth, mouth upper jaw large and lower jaw small, because it is a water feeder, and presence of that is the barbels. Barbels is very important characteristic for growth. It helps with the locomotion and food feeding. Yes, these are the general characters. What is the common characteristics? What is the cultural characteristics? Cultural characteristics, it is used as a food fish. It contains vitamins A, D, E and K. Mind, and it is bottom feeder. Third fish, which is the important characteristics? It is third fastest growing fish among the Indian major carps. That is the cultural characteristics. And it is culture in the Indian water. Indian waters, lake, dam, ponds. Yes, that is the criteria. What is the age and growth? Its age and growth. Age in first year, which may be that is 90 centimeter. Within first year, it grows as recorded as a per month 20 centimeter. On the recording, Sirena mrigal grow within first year 775 gram. First year. Yes. First year. And second and third year, it is grow, which may be that is the grow 1.2.4 kg. Yes. 1.5 किलो ते 2.5 किलोचा प्रमाण ही दुसऱ्या तिसऱ्या वर्षामध्ये याची ग्रोथ होते. कोणाची? फिश. फूड फीडिंग. You know that it's water feeder, fastest growing fish, third fastest growing fish among the Indian major carp. What is the food of that fishes? It is present in the water region of the water. But what is the food? That's the algae present in the bottom of the water. Some insects in the mud, some eggs, diverse material of phytoplanktons, dead materials of the zooplanktons, bottom insects, bottom diverse material, larvae. These are the major food of the catla, so of the Sirena mrigal. Of the Sirena, it is the highest maximum demand in the market. Maximum demand in the but it is a carnivore, major carnivorous fish. Yes, it is spawning period September, July to September. It is a spawn in July to September and July to August to September. July, September, August, September. Yes, and important characteristics it means fecundity. Fecundity means egg laying capacity. How to Sirena mrigal lay the eggs? It lay the eggs 65,000 eggs. One spawn 65,000. Okay. Sometime it may be that is 72,000. Sometime 72,000. Yes. And its fecundity depends upon the salinity of water. Sometimes its fecundity depends upon the topography of the water. Yes, that is important characteristics about the fecundity. Next time important characteristics which will be that is the fish capturing. How the fish, when mature the fish, ready for the market, how to fish capture? Yes, these fishes captured or it is also known as fishery. The fishes captured with the help of different types of nets. Which different types of nets? Cast net. Number one. Number two, gill net. The majority the fish are entangled in the gill region. That is the gill net. Yes. Cast net. That is the umbrella shaped cast net. Drag net. That also used for the fish capturing. These are the nets for the capturing the fishes. Capturing fishes, fish पकड़ने से. These types the important features about the Indian major carps. Indian major carps.